How to fix login error on Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pippin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix login error on Telegram application on iPhone. Now, while you may think that it's complicated, actually it's quite simple and easy. First thing first, you want to know why is it happening. Now, it might happen if you have entered in a wrong Telegram number. You want to check in for connectivity issue, you want to check in for your phone number or your credentials that you have entered correctly. If none of these are the issue, then there is one simple thing, that is the glitch or bug within the app. Now, how you can fix it, right? Now, to fix it is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it to quick and easy. You want to simply head into your phone settings here on your device. Once you head on to settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below and you want to head into the very first option that says general. Now, under general, what you want to do is you want to scroll down here and you want to head into iPhone storage option. Under iPhone storage, you want to locate the Telegram application. Now, you want to scroll down, you'll find all the apps here. You want to simply locate Telegram. Once you locate Telegram, you want to simply tap on it and you can see upload app option right there. You want to simply tap on upload application option here, and at the bottom of the screen it'll ask you for confirmation. Once here, what you want to do is you want to confirm it. This will remove any glitches or bugs. This will reset your app completely. Once you do so, you want to simply head into Telegram, open up, and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. You'll be able to log in easily. So this way you can fix login error on Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.